time I'm using the FireFly 8se as a Car DVR. Just wanted to check out how that looks like, how the footage looks like. I'm now shooting for the first time in 4K 30 frames per second, and it does not have any image stabilization, EIS, electronic image stabilization, at this resolution, so I hope the picture will not be so shaky at all. But as you can see, it's not a nice weather today. I will shoot another day when it's also a nice day, when it's a nice weather, I mean, so then we can have a comparison between bad weather and good weather. I've not connected any external mic to this camera today. It's the sound you're hearing is just the built-in mic of this device. So I hope the sound is clear. I'm really curious about the picture quality in 4K. And as you can see, this camera can also be used as a Car DVR. So there's also a benefit. The only thing I had to do is to buy this adapter in order to be able to use it as a Car DVR. Because in the regular package you don't get an attachment for this purpose. It's only actually you get a case, waterproof casing, and some other stuff. Wow, the traffic here suddenly. Okay. The files when shooting in 4K will also be quite huge compared to 1080p. I have enabled the wide view. In 4K apparently it's not possible to record or enable the option super view, so that's also something to keep in mind, or maybe I did not look properly. If it's possible, please comment in the section below, in the comment section below, so I'm aware of it, and I will do my best to find it. Still need to test the slow motion capabilities of this camera. Just let me know below in the comment section what you guys think of the video quality of the FireFly 8se recorded in 4K 30 frames per second without any image stabilization. I do miss the power of my bike. open the throttle and you just go. With this car I need to be a bit more careful as the acceleration is not that great. But when it rains, I'm happy I'm by car. I didn't get wet then. I used to go by bike even when it rained. But then your whole gear gets wet. And a couple of times I was completely wet also inside. I don't know how, but apparently maybe I forgot to close one of my air ventilation zips or something, and I was completely wet. So my gear was wet, and inside everything, the clothes were completely wet. But apart from that, I really like to be on the bike. So again.